2011 Chevy Camaro V6. What we got done on it, there's the rear mufflers we cut off, or resonators, sorry. Everybody calls them differently. It's got 4 catalytic converters, 2 on each side, right there and right there. Then it's got 2 1/4 pipe. It used to have an X pipe here and 2 resonators in the middle there. We cut both of those off and we true dualed it. So basically it's true dualed all the way back. And then we did a rear muffler delete, which are those 2 over there. We cut that one off and that one off. And then reused his tips. This one and that one. He's gonna come back, he's gonna put some tips that have that shoot fire. He's gonna order them and we're gonna put them in. And like always guys, please subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Keeps us going. And there's the H pipe and the mid resonators that we cut off right there. There it is, what it looks like after. I'll let you guys hear in a second. Gotta back it up. 124. That is loud. Woo. The wax in my ears is coming out. It's so loud. It's loud. Wow. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Let you guys hear on these. Chevy Camaro V6. True dual straight pipe.